Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture, you are going to be learning about class inheritance. Now, class inheritance is super simple. It's a super simple concept, and the words describe what it is. Basically, we are creating a class, for example, and this new class has nothing, and we can inherit the properties and methods of another class into this new class that doesn't have anything. All right, so let's go ahead and build an example here so that way you can get a better idea on what I'm trying to teach you here. So let's do a save as on class methods, and really doesn't matter which file. And let's call this inheritance, class underscore inheritance, save. All right, and let's go ahead and actually take one of these functions out of here, and let's just echo hello here. All right, and I'm just gonna take all that off, make sure that my everything is good here, and let's instantiate this class first, and let's just create a BMW object, right? And let's just say new cars. There we go. That's it. Instantiated this class, and now let's say, for example, I want another class, right? And the other class name will be, I don't know, class trucks. All right, so this is the new blueprint, right? And we don't have anything here. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna make it like this. We don't have anything. Let's go ahead and use this class. Let's use everything from this class. So let's also create a property here. And the reason why I'm not copying from other files, I'm using the methods one, is because I want you to get used to actually typing this on your co-editor. Because if you just watch me and don't type it, it's not gonna be very easy for you later on to actually instantiate or do anything. All right, so get in the habit of typing things. So let's go ahead and do this wheels, and let's assign this 4. All right, so for example, I can instantiate this new class, and I'm gonna call this what kind of truck there is. Well, they have a Mercedes truck, but we can say Toyota. Toyota has a truck. Tacoma is a truck of Toyota. Really doesn't matter. I'm just making this up here. Actually, Tacoma, it is a truck for Toyota. All right. So let's instantiate this new class, trucks. There we go. All right. So now if we go to refresh here, we go to class inheritance. We don't see, actually we do see something there because we're instantiating this, and this says echo. But let's just say return here. All right, and save it. Refresh. We don't have to instantiate this one here. Actually, we are in the wrong one. Sorry. Inheritance. There we go. There's nothing there. All right. All right. So in order for us to have something, to see something on the screen, right? Actually, in order for us to inherit something from this class to this new class, we need to use the keyword extends. And then we need to write the name of that other class that we want to get properties and methods from. So the new keyword that you're going to be using is extends, and that's it. And then the name of that class that we want to extend. So this trucks class extends the car class. So now we can go ahead and say something like this, Tacoma, and then we can say wheels. I think it's wheels. Yeah. And we can just print it on the screen, right? Actually, we need to put the echo there. There we go. Refresh, and you can see now that that new class has that property right here because it's inheriting everything. So trucks is inheriting, even though we don't have any properties here, and we could if we wanted to. So you could set a property here, and you could call this new property wheels. Okay, and you can assign a value of 10 and refresh, and now that overrides that extending that you're doing, that inheritance from the other class. All right, but if you don't have anything, it takes the default value of the inheritance of the other class. All right, so hopefully you understand that super simple concept. If you need a little bit more reviewing, make sure that you rewind the video and learn it really good before you go on to the next one. Thank you so much for watching this lecture here, and I see you in the next one.